How to delete your Gemini account. First of all, open the Gemini app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the Preferences option. Within Preferences, look for the Close Account or Delete Account option and tap on it. Before proceeding, Gemini will prompt you to withdraw all your funds. Make sure to transfer your crypto and fiat balances to another wallet or bank account as you cannot recover them after account deletion. Once all funds are withdrawn, type close in all caps in the provided field and tap on close account to confirm your account deletion. You may also need to enter your password and verify your identity using Face ID, fingerprint or a verification code sent to your mobile or email. After confirming, your Gemini account will be scheduled for deletion. Gemini may take a short time to finalize the process, after which your account and personal information will be permanently removed. Now you know how to delete your Gemini account safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.